Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar to type in Magic Fluids. After that, download this free app from Math Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then you can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner and click on those two lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on this gear at the top right corner, and after selecting I accept in First Things First pop-up, adjust all of those options however you wish though. When you're ready, go back and tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I click and close Magic Fluids app, I can see that it was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!